We're going to do a brief video on BA stock analysis today, and we've got a Boeing company chart for you here, a daily chart with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. We can see Boeing's in a bear market. It's been in a bear market all the way since back around February 22nd, arguably even longer than that, but we'll start there. And came down here and put a bottom in the stock right around the middle of June. Now you can see that bottom was about 113-ish, and we're currently trading, it looks like yesterday, 125. So we're within $12 of that previous cycle low. So the bottom line of it is below the 200, below the 20, below the 5. Boeing's in a bear market. Now today, interestingly enough, Boeing's up 4%. It's up $5 on 7 million shares. It's almost 8 million shares. Its average daily volume is about 7.5 million shares, but again, up over 4%. So Boeing's in a bear market rally right now for one day. You can't even really call it a rally. It's just up. We have a 20-day moving average right here at 146. That's going to come down in a couple days to the low 140s, and Boeing's going to run into that. Again, our high today is 133. So, it's within $7-8 of running into some serious resistance on this 20-day moving average. You can see Boeing pretty much respects the 20-day moving average and often doesn't even get close to it before it turns around and goes the other way. So Boeing's going to have problems going much higher, in my opinion, than 138 in this market. Barring something else going on here, I think Boeing's going to probably run into the 138 target and then come down here and attack these lows that were set in the middle of June around the 113 level. That's just my opinion for entertainment purposes only, but that's the way I look at it right this second. Let's take a look and see what the weekly chart looks like for Boeing. You can see the weekly chart for Boeing is kind of a disaster. It's the 20-week now. We're on a weekly chart. The 20-week moving average is starting to flatten a little bit, but there's some serious decline in the 5-week moving average, and in general you can see that it's respected the 5-week on the way down. In general, it's respected on the way up. So Boeing's going to run into that resistance, as I was mentioning, about the 138 level on the daily, and probably, it's going to even be a little lower on the weekly, probably 137-ish. So I would say that's a resistance point if we get a rally in Boeing about 138-ish, and probably end up testing this June low. Let's go and take a look real quick and see what RBAM research says about it algorithmically. We put out 190 stocks every morning before 7 a.m. These are out for today. Let's go down here. For the 28th, we have 1, 5, and 20-day hold periods, and let's see what it says for Boeing. On the 1-day column, 124 and change, 125 for the 5-day column, 126 for the 20-day column. So all of these prices those are buys, all of them, but the market hasn't gotten that low yet. So it did correctly call Boeing as a buy today, but it has not gotten to hit any of those. Let me check the last one. Yeah, it has not got low enough to trigger any of those. Just because it's in the buy territory does not mean these are good. It has to trade through these in order for them to be good prices. And of course, these are all for entertainment purposes only. So that's Boeing for today, and my prognosis for it for entertainment purposes only. Keep in mind, we put out 190 of these stocks every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. You can get them absolutely free at rbamresearch.com. We cover 190 stocks. We cover the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts every morning, Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. There's a link in the description below to rbamresearch.com. You just head over there, sign up with your email, no cost, no credit card required. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have some comments on moving averages, please let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. Keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. Can only use our entry prices and our commentary for entertainment. And you should always do, of course, your own research, and you definitely trade at your own risk.